So right now, as of this morning, Sunday, 8:52 a.m., I'm filming this, we have 475 total active listings on the market. That is up from a couple months ago. We've been seeing an upward trend in the numbers of real estate active listings. That's something that you want to pay strict attention to. And if this continues for the next 2 or 3 months at this same rate, we're going to be well into the 500s, if not 600 active units on the market for sale. That will definitely cause the market to slow down and potentially shift from where it is in a seller's market into a buyer's market. But I don't have enough data to share with you. At least we've only seen these changes as of the last 3-4 weeks, where we've watched this inventory start to increase. And just to give a little bit of history, if we go back to June of 2021, we'll find that we had about this level. Since then, it's been lower. So this is the next time we've had high figures like this since over 2 years. We'll have to watch how this trend continues. Also, the word on the street about interest rates is September potentially they might be moving down a little bit. Time will tell. This has been a promise that's been made to us forever. If you are considering purchasing real estate and you're able to qualify, I would say before, if it's going to happen, before the interest rates start to move down in a downward trend more than they already have been, at least as of late, I would say if they get into the fours or the fives, it's going to create a massive buying cycle. And we're going to see this 475 units we have on the market today actually move through and get sold rather quickly, maybe forcing the market to be where it was not very long ago, where we had multiple offers on every single property, which we still see. But people were willing to inject cash above and beyond what they offered in the property just to try to get the property and just to win the bid with regard to the seller, because they're competing with multiple people. If you're going to jump into this real estate, make sure you understand what all of that means. And I do hear from a lot of sellers and buyers, Connor, we don't want to play the game. If you want to live this life at this time with regard to residential real estate, the way the market is trending, you're going to have to get your gloves on. You're going to have to lace up your shoes. You're going to have to do a little bit of stretching, and you're going to have to be a little bit more nimble than you're not willing to compete in this market, or don't get into the market. I talk to my clients. I'll make it as easy as possible. I'll give you all the information up and to the point. I'll even give you stories and experiences that I've gleaned since 1998 representing buyers and sellers. But the final curtain has to be yours. I'm Connor with Honor. Thank you for watching today's update. We will be back, of course, tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday, and Wednesday, and so on. Check us out at www.santaclaritaopenhouses.com. I'm Connor McIver. Over and out.